In 2010, a computer virus silently crossed borders, bypassed military defenses, and physically destroyed nuclear machines inside a heavily guarded Iranian facility. No bombs, no soldiers, just code. That attack changed warfare forever. Most people imagine war as tanks, missiles, and troops on the ground, but modern conflict doesn't always look like that. Today, battles happen quietly, inside power grids, financial systems, hospitals, and government networks. This invisible battlefield is called cyber warfare, and it's already happening. By the end of this video, you'll understand how cyber warfare works, who's using it, and why it's considered one of the most serious national security threats of the modern era. Because when code becomes a weapon, borders stop mattering. Cyber warfare is when one nation uses digital attacks to disrupt, damage, or control another nation's systems. The targets aren't soldiers. They quote, infrastructure, electricity, banking, communication, transportation. Unlike traditional warfare, cyber attacks are fast, silent, and difficult to trace. An attacker can strike from anywhere in the world and often deny responsibility entirely. The goals vary. Some attacks are about espionage, stealing sensitive information. Others aim to cause chaos, shut down essential services, or undermine trust in governments. And here's what makes cyber warfare especially dangerous. You may not even realize you're under attack until the damage is already done. Here's where cyber warfare becomes truly dangerous. It's asymmetrical. Smaller nations and even non-state actors can now challenge far more powerful countries without building armies or weapons. All they need is talent, time, and access. This levels the playing field in ways the world has never seen before. A single group of hackers can inflict damage that once required massive military operations. And because cyber attacks don't leave obvious fingerprints, retaliation becomes complicated. Was it a criminal group? A government? A proxy clipping on behalf of a nation? That uncertainty is part of the weapon. To understand just how real this threat is, we need to look at what's already happened. In 2010, the stuxnet worm targeted Iran's nuclear program. It caused uranium centrifuges to destroy themselves while showing operators normal readings. The machines were failing, but no one knew why. It set back Iran's nuclear ambitions without a single missile being fired. In 2017, NotPetya hit Ukraine. Disguised as ransomware, it was actually designed to wipe data entirely. It spread globally, crippling multinational companies and causing billions of dollars in damage. Then in 2014, Sony Pictures was hacked. Private emails, employee data, and unreleased films were leaked. The motive wasn't money, it was political retaliation. And these are only the attacks we know about. Different nations approach cyber warfare differently. The United States focuses on precision, targeted cyber operations and defense. Russia uses cyber attacks to create chaos and destabilization. China prioritizes long-term espionage and intellectual property theft. North Korea uses cyber attacks to generate revenue and fund its regime. Same battlefield, different strategies. As these threats grow, nations are investing heavily in defense, AI-driven threat detection, cyber hygiene training, intelligence sharing, and rapid response plans. Because in cyber warfare, speed matters more than strength. Cyber war doesn't begin with explosions. It begins quietly inside systems you already depend on. And by the time you notice it, the damage may already be done.